Hello everyone, it's Boxing Day, December the 26th, 2021. I purchased this watch last week and it was delivered Christmas Eve, so I did do a short video, but being Christmas Eve I was pressed for time and I couldn't put all the detail in that I wanted to, and I have measured with my own gauge the dimensions against the claimed dimensions. It's obviously the replacement for the SNK800 series watches. There's a few variants of these watches and I've got the code numbers for those. It's strikingly similar to the SNK range. There's a few minor differences. The handsets are slightly different. I think they're a bit broader on this watch. I haven't got an SNK809 here to actually physically compare it to. I sold the last one I had. I found that they were, for my taste, they were just a bit on the small side. But everybody has their own opinion. I would like to get another SNK809 just to put to one side, because I think they're going to disappear quite quickly now. The SNK809s in the UK are in excess of £100 sterling if you try and buy them here. Which is a bit overpriced, I think, because it was a very basic watch in movement and in finish on the case. But although it was a very good starter, a good introduction to automatic watches, this has got the 4R36 movement in it, which obviously offers you hacking and hand winding. It's more up to date. It's got a single domed hard-legged crystal. The dial is a gloss black. It looks really good in light. Unfortunately, I can't do any outdoor shots. It's so grim outside. It's just not going to make any difference. The best pictures I can take are indoors at the moment. If I get a chance, I will update with some outdoor shots if the sun returns at any time. Yeah, it's got movement upgrade. The water resistance, which was a criticism on the 800 series watches, has also improved dramatically up to 10 bar 100 meters, so that's a big improvement. The weight on this Milanese strap is 119 grams. On the NATOs I tried it on, it comes in at 76 grams. It's got drilled lugs. It's hacking hand binding, as I've explained. Stainless steel case, the same as the SRPG, the SRPG obviously being blasted or a matte finish. It's, for all intents and purposes, a 40mm case. I've measured the thickness at 13.8mm. Lug to lug is 48mm, and it's the 20mm strap, 20mm strap. So the crown is 7mm in diameter and 3mm thick, so it is easily windable. No issues on that front. I'll just run through the different model numbers. There's the SRPH21, and that is a Watch Nation exclusive watch in cream. There's the SRPH23K1, which is black and orange, and the loom pip's orange as well, so I don't expect they're going to perform too well. There's a SRPH25K1, which is the Milanese strap. It's PVD black. I think that's the most expensive one. The SRPH31K1 comes on a NATO. It's got blue dial with orange dots at the 12, 3, 6 and 9, and the inside of the watch strap is also orange. And the SRPH29K1 has a green dial, and it's also got the orange dots at 12, 3, 6 and 9 with a green NATO, with the inner surface being orange also. And one thing I want to address is the price. Obviously the SNK809 is a budget watch, and I don't think you could describe this at the moment as a budget watch. I'm sure the price will come down following the release. I paid £237 for this model from Watcho, but with that I got an extra year's warranty. Being Boxing Day, there are sales on. I think you might be able to get this very slightly cheaper or the same price from other retailers at the moment. But the retailers I've seen are saying pre-order, so it's due for delivery, I guess, in January. But this is a much improved watch, obviously, with the movement, the water resistance, and the overall finish. I can't fault the overall finish, and I can't fault the strap, although the clasp could be described as a bit budget Casio-ish, but is that a bad thing? I don't know. For a £200 watch, maybe it is. This is my first Milanese strap watch, so I'm not too sure. I don't want to pass comment on it. Having said that, I've worn it and it's fine, and it's easily sizable to your own wrist. I've taken a wrist shot. I've got a 7.5 inch wrist, so you'll see it on there. But this for me is perfect, absolutely perfect. I really like the SNK809, but it was just too small for my wrist. But that, like I said, that's a personal choice. So I was more than happy when this appeared. I could have waited and picked up a bit cheaper in a few months, but it was my own Christmas present to me, which I'm not going to try and defend, really. Seiko Boutique also have their own exclusive. It's a black dial watch like this. The loom seems to be aged. I could be wrong, and that could be just the photographs, and it's got a Seiko bracelet on it. I can't make any comment on whether it's got solid end links or not. I just don't know. That's only available from Seiko Boutique. The price they're listed on there is £270. Whether it's different today because of the holiday sales, I couldn't say. I don't know if this has been released in America yet either. I haven't really seen any other videos being released for those, so I'm sure if it hasn't been released in America, it must be imminent, being a much larger market than the UK. I did try it on the NATOs, like I say, and it does transform the watch into more of a tool watch, and as it is with the Milanese bracelet, it's kind of edging towards a dress watch bar the dial. It's got a high polished bezel on it. The top surface of the watch is brushed, and the side case, I'll just flip that over without dropping it, that's also polished as well. I think you could wear this on this strap as an office watch quite easily. Yeah, I'm not sure how long the hard legs will go before I scratch it. Hopefully a while. I would replace it with another domed sapphire, but you do get a nice bit of distortion on the crystal as you turn it around. So, like I say, I'm quite happy with the strap. It's I've never been a fan of the Seiko bracelets on the cheaper watches. The only more expensive Seiko that I've got is the Alpinist, which I put a strap code metal strap on, but it came with a crocodile type leather strap, which I wasn't too keen on. So I hope this fills in a few gaps on the introduction that I did on Christmas Day, on Christmas Eve. But I was rushed for time, so I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to bung some pictures on at the end of the video. I hope you enjoy it. If you're looking for this watch, have a good look around in the sales. So I'm not quite sure what you'll find. Everybody seems to be having sales early these days, so yeah, I can't recommend. If you like the SNK809, I can't recommend this highly enough. It's just the price maybe is a bit of a sticking point, but that's the way Seikos have gone lately. But you are getting a much better watch for your money, with the movement and the increased water resistance, case finish. It's higher, obviously. Anyway, enjoy your day. I hope you've had a great holiday season, and I'll speak to you soon.